Today I'm going to answer some of your most frequent questions about how to take your blood pressure at home and some common things that you might be facing. What is the best time of day to take your blood pressure? Well, this is something you should ask your doctor, but here is my general advice to people that I'm seeing in the office. When we're making a change to your blood pressure regimen, we like to check it in the morning and then in the evening. That allows us to get two different readings at different times of the day when your medications are having different effects. Number two, what if your blood pressure is high at the doctor's office but normal at home? Well, one thing it might mean is that you have white coat hypertension. White coat hypertension is when you see a doctor in their white coat and that causes your blood pressure to go up. So I like to compare what the blood pressure is like at home and what the blood pressure is like in the office. Thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out my website, cookingdoc.com. Check out my book, The Cooking Doc's Kidney Healthy Cooking, a Modern 10-Step Guide to Preventing and Managing Kidney Disease. And I will see you next time.